So in this video, we are going to solve a problem on discrete time convolution. So the question is, evaluate the discrete time convolution of sum of the following. Y of n is equal to 1 by 4 of n power n u of n in convolution u into u n plus okay. So if I do the if I change into the frequency response, this becomes h of e power j omega into x of e power j omega, where I can take h of this y of n, I can take it as h of n, a convolution of x of n. Okay, so this is one property. So I want to change this h of n. I'm going to take the discrete type Fourier transform for the h of n value. So the h of n value is 1 by 4 power n u of n. So if what is the formula for dt ft is e power j omega is equal to summation. Here it is ranging from u of n. So n is equal to 0 to infinity h of n e power minus j omega. E power minus j omega n. Okay. So now I am going to substitute the value of this, right? So if I substitute the value of 1 by 4 of n, so n is equal to 0 to infinity. So 1 by 4 into e power minus j power n. I can write like this. So there is one more formula that I can write this is an important formula. So you note this one. Summation n is equal to 0 to infinity a power n is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus a. So this will this problem get repeated again and again. Okay, so I can write this h of e power j omega is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega. So 4 divided by 4 minus e power minus j omega is your answer. In similar way, I need to find the value of x of n. So x of n, they have given it as u m plus 2. So next u of n plus 2 means, so this is, so I want to make this one 0. So if I want to make this one 0, I have to substitute n is equal to minus 2, right? So for n is equal to minus 2, if I substitute n is equal to minus 2, it becomes u of 0. If I substitute minus 1, it becomes u of 1. So this will go up to minus 2 to infinity, right? This is your u of n plus 2. Okay, and the amplitude value is 1. So since it is the time gets shifted by u of n plus 2, I can obtain the x of e power j omega value is equal to, it is, I can write it as u of n minus of minus 2, right? So this is nothing but e power minus 2 j omega into 2 j omega divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega because of u of n. So the u of n value is this is this e power minus 2 j omega is for this one, and u of n value is the dt of u of n value is 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega. So if you don't know the formula, let me substitute it here, right? X of e power j omega is equal to summation. So it ranges from minus 2 to infinity, right? U of n e power minus j omega n. Okay. So if I substitute, you will get e power 2j omega plus e power j omega, and if I substitute 0, it becomes 1, and if I substitute 1, it becomes e power minus j omega, right? And then e power minus 2j omega, and it will go some, right, up to infinity. Okay. So how to find this formula? So the second write as e power 2j omega plus e power j omega plus 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega, right? Okay. Next, on solving, I will get e power 2j omega plus, if I cross multiply with this one, I will get e power j omega minus 1, right? Plus 1 divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega. So these two get cancelled out. So next, I will get e power 2j omega minus e power j omega plus e power j omega divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega. So I can verify the answer, right? So both are same. That is equal to e power 2j omega divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega. Next, I need to find the value of y of e power j omega, right? That is equal to x of e power j omega. That value is this one. Then I have to multiply with h of e power j omega. That is 1 divided by 1 minus 4 e power minus j omega. Okay. So now I can take the partial fraction a divided by 1 minus e power minus j omega plus b divided by 1 minus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega. D. So on solving, I'll get so I will take equation like this: 1 minus 1 by 4 e power minus j omega plus b into 1 minus e power minus j omega, that is equal to e power 2j omega. So if I substitute omega is equal to 0, if I substitute omega is equal to 0, I will get a by 1 minus 4 plus b into this goes to 0. So if I substitute 0, I will get the 1. So you will get answer as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of a is equal to 1. So a is equal to 4 by 3. And if I equate the common term, right, that a constant term, I will get a plus b is equal to 0. So the b value is minus of 4 by 3. So you substitute it here. 4 by 3, 1 minus e power minus j omega minus 4 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 4 of e power minus j omega. So my y of n is equal to 4 divided by 3, 1 power n minus 4 by 3, 1 by 4 power n u of. Okay. So this is your answer.